It's your girl Ash, and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be reviewing the Ninja Air Fryer model AF100. It was sent to me about a week ago, so I haven't opened it up as of yet. Well, I guess this is going to be like a first impression. So here it is. I haven't opened it up as of yet, and let's get into it. Let's see. Main unit, 4 programmable, cooking function, easy to use and control. Listen, I guess if you're trying to eat healthy, this is definitely something that you would need. Lord knows I need to lose a couple of pounds, so this definitely gonna come in handy. Oh, girl. All right. It says that it's easy to use. I can't believe I have scissors ready. I never have scissors ready, y'all. And I'm so excited that I actually got this and get to try it out. See, it's still boxed up, and here's the little Ninja Air Fryer quick start guide. Let's take it out like so. This really isn't going to be a review. It's basically going to be a first impression because you actually need to use it, right, in order to give your review. And did I open it upside down? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. She's struggling, y'all. Okay, nothing else is in the box. Put this right here. And this all is sealed up, so you would need a scissors to open up the plastic bag. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this. So this is what it looks like. You have your chicken
French fries, steak, pop. Oh wait, oh no, cupcakes. That look like cupcakes. And fish. And you have the up and down temperature, the time, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate. Dehydrate? I don't know. And then let's see. Up top it just says caution, do not block vent. So I guess up top right here is the vent. And I guess the steam will come out of here. And I believe there is a vent in the back as well. We're gonna open it up. And this is what it looks like inside. This is what the inside looks like, if you can see up top. And then you put it in like so. This is the extension cord. Let's unwrap it. It's pretty short. It's not as long as I would like. Yeah, so you definitely going to have to put this like on the counter next to a socket, because this extension, the cord, the plug-in cord really isn't that long. I'm excited. I definitely can't wait to try the Ninja. Your girl's trying to eat healthy. Supposedly it came with, let me see. It's supposed to come with like a cookbook, but I didn't see no cookbook in here. Hold on. Well, okay, this isn't really a cookbook, but this is the cooking chart. If you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the cooking chart, and it tells you how long to cook certain things inside of the air fryer. If you would like to see me review this with specific foods, please let me know, because I'll definitely try it with any suggestions you guys may have. This was a unboxing. It really isn't a review. I would have to actually use it in order to give my review. And I believe it's supposed to hold up to like 4 quarts of French fries, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I can't wait to try this, guys. So please, if you have any suggestions on what type of foods you would like for me to demonstrate and review the Ninja Air Fryer, please let me know. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.